small advice to whoever is buying. एक small कहावत है हिंदी में, पैसा रहा तो Mercedes भी आएगी. Please understand that what you're going to buy. It is a AT, AMT, DCT, DSG, CVT. You'll get an Amaze 4-star NCAP global rating car. If you see the Amaze is fantastic. Who just
Value for money.
Value for money, and just who wanted to buy their first car, I'll just say them 3 tips from my side, that just always buy a car with good NCAP global rating. It should be bare minimum 4-star and 5-star. हिंदी just एक small कहावत है हिंदी में, पैसा रहा तो Mercedes भी आएगी. जान बची तो Mercedes भी आएगी. To just always buy a car with 4-star or 5-star NCAP global rating, because save your life, and buy a quality product, not a quantity product. So that again would be saving your money part, even though the transmission part is more important. That what you're going to take a transmission. If you're going with the automatic part, then please understand that what you're going to buy. It is a AT, AMT, DCT, DSG, CVT. Because people do a excitement and panic buying while buying a car. So a small advice to whoever is buying a car, to please understand few things and few this part, so it will save your money, even your life and your energy while buying this all parameters.
So you're saying this is a very basic.
This is a entry level. If you see, this had a very huge marketing. If you see, this is with the mass market product part.
Okay.
If you do have, we have a very, this is sub 4 meter.
Alright.
So sub 4 meter, there is a huge competition. As you see, there are many, but we purely we don't serve in the taxi part. We purely are into the customer oriented. If you see our cars, you'll rarely find in that part. Only we serve to hotels and very rare customers who are already tried and listed with us. So majorly we are not into the taxi market part. And small only thing is that if we wanted to serve purely to customers, but we do have a small glitch that यार मेरी car taxi में भी है. वो part में. Then see, they have their own portfolio, and I do respect them that they are earning मतलब मेहनत करके वो भी कमा रहे हैं. But we wanted that our portfolio should not spoil over there. So we have gave this all parameters. As you can see, it's a very this is the bit.
Amazing taxis?
Huh?
Do you have Amaze taxis? Correct. But people do ask for Amaze taxi, to be honest.
Because we are, see, the taxi people more, they'll incline towards the CNG market. They'll not come to the pure market in the petrol form. That's the main system, central locking, airbags, ABS, EBD, reverse sensors, all parameters. What do you wanted in a car? All it means, sir, you can see the Bluetooth connectivity with phone disconnect, and even though now Honda have came with the new veltinated seat, as you can see with the massager.
Yes, now everyone are coming out with that.
Yeah, so if you see the veltinated seat part also, you can get it in the accessories part. So veltinated seats are also available now.
So this is an additional.
This is the additional accessories you can buy in any car.
So if I want to put a ventilated seat, this is what would it cost?
So 13,000 rupees for 2.
Okay. Only the front.
Front 2, or if you're sitting at rear, it is with the 12-watt charging socket, you can serve it. So what is the in front and rear, you can sit wherever you're sitting, you can just have that one, that with massager you get a very good feel of this.
Oh, you're having a massager?
Yeah, with massager. The seat is with massager.
And it's not only my bump, it's here also.
So this is the small new features. We have came with many new features, accessories part also.
So when was this feature introduced?
Recently we have bought with the Elevate. So recent part, even though now the TPMS, if you see, it is available in the accessories also. So the TPMS part are also in the accessories. Many new things Honda have came with this time. They have came with the necklace.
Did you feel anything in the world you're in the world you're in? Brutality, make it 1, make it 2, make it 3 times around. And they're suffering, yeah. Counting down, tick tock, and the time is running out. No first class ticket, we